Welcome back again, guys. We're going abroad again. CNG Trekventures, further and beyond. This time we are taking you with us to Turkey. Together we are going to experience Europe and Asia. We'll also be showing you some mosques, some local food, the Grand Bazaar and the Bosphorus Strait. In this vlog we will be sharing with you some exclusive aerial Istanbul shots. But we will also be sharing with you our bitter experience in Istanbul, losing part of our filming gear. And with the help of the police, checking the footage themselves. Welcome to Istanbul. The view from our room was beautiful. We could also see the Asian part on the other side of the Bosphorus Strait. But we decided to go out and explore the city, the old part of the city. So we went down to the lobby, booked a taxi, and off we went to the central old part of Istanbul. At this Grand Bazaar one can trade almost everything, varying from carpets to food, from gold jewelry, also fake brand items. Hunger took over and we opted for a local restaurant. Went up to the balcony and had a nice Turkish platter. Got a taxi to take us back to our hotel and... Guys, għadni kif indunajt, li tħallejt il-GoPro fuq il-taxi. Insejta, nżilna bl-ġla, għax waqqafna fuq Central Strip. U kif tlajna fil-kamra ndunajt li ħallejta warajja. Ġiti jenna tat-taxi, to be fair, imma minn kienaw ma ċettax. Għax ma kienx jafta minni, issa niprofaw naraw nirranġax ma' security xi ħaġa. Kelli l-footage u jalla nsibuh. Dejjem xi storja insomma. It's 11:30 guys, I cannot sleep of course, I'm still waiting for my GoPro because as I told you before, I forgot it in my taxi. I went in my room, I took a shower, but I want that camera so badly. We'll see what happens. CNG Trekventures beyond borders. Il-pras part of CNG. I'm very confident we will find it. I will not sleep until I have news about it. I will keep you updated, guys. So guys, good morning. Just to give you an update about the GoPro and the stand and everything and the footage in it, but because that's what worries me most, the footage of yesterday. The security are checking where the taxi driver dropped us off. And they are collaborating also with our next door hotel to check their cameras exactly because the number plate was not showing correctly with the cameras they have here. Here we are in the Europe side and on the other side, as you can see there, it's Asia. So we're looking from Europe to Asia. We're going in for breakfast now. We spoke to the tourism police again and they were very shocked that the porter at the hotel didn't accept the camera when the taxi driver brought it back to give it to us. So now we're going to Intercontinental again and with the help of the police checking the footage themselves because they think something should be recognized now. And until the police were doing their investigations, we decided to get a taxi and go over the bridge to the other part of Istanbul, the Asia part. We were driven over the bridge, under the tunnel, and exactly in front of Kamlika Kami Mosque. This mosque is an enormous Ottoman revival mosque. It was completed in 2016, featuring an art gallery, a library, and a museum. I really loved and appreciated the architecture in this building, guys. We're going in this mosque and we have to put the bag in the flip-flops in a bag and also wear this thing to respect the mosque from inside. Let's go inside, come on. As you can see, it's enormous on the inside. Different religions have different rules, and this was one of them. Airport, guys, this is Istanbul Airport. The holiday in Istanbul is over now. Hope you like the footages we had from the drone and from the mobile, because our GoPro was lost, as you already know. Shots, we're going in Cappadocia now. We're planning to get lovely shots, but we will do what we can with the mobile and with the drone now. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for following. Sa kanil tao, sa House Lim.